Hello dear students, do you like maths? Okay, you like to do simple question, is it? That's why today I'm going to start with a puzzle question. Question is, make 25 using a total of 10 coins of denominations 1, 3 and 5. Total amount 25. Total number of coins 10 coins. 1 rupee coin is there, 3 rupee coins and 5 rupees coins. Then you have to find out each denominations. How many coins are there? How many 1 rupee coins? How many 3 rupees coins? How many 5 rupees coins? Try dear children. If you got answer, type answer here. Okay. Yeah dear children, we already started the chapter linear equation in one variable and now we are doing the problem, that is word problems. Then okay, first question is, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather, and 29 years older than Baichung. That is, his father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung's. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. When we add the three ages, then total 135. What is the age of each one of them? Listen dear children. In this question, first you had Baichung's father's age 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. And Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. That is, Baichung's grandfather 26 years younger means Baichung's grandfather's age is in terms of Baichung's father's age. Okay, and Baichung's age also in terms of his father's age. So, listen, grandfather's age is in terms of Baichung's father's age. Baichung's age also in terms of his father's age. So, how will you start? Yeah, 2. That is age of Baichung's grandfather and Baichung's. Both are given in terms of Baichung's father's age. Baichung's father's age and his grandfather's age are in terms of his father's age. So you have to start at Baichung's age. Yes, you have to start Baichung's father's age equal to any variable, that is x. Let x be Baichung's father's age. Father's age. Okay, father's age is x. Then what is his grandfather's age? You tell. Tell grandfather's age. Baichung's father age is yes. Grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. Father's age is x. So grandfather is 26 older than his father. Grandfather's age is 26 plus x. Okay. And Baichung is what? Baichung's age is also in terms of his father's age. Okay. So what we can write? Baichung's age equal to what? Baichung's father age minus 29. All of you understood why it is? Okay. Then three ages are x, x plus 26 and x minus 29. Ages of Baichung's father, grandfather and Baichung's age. And one more condition given. Sum of these all ages is 135. So x plus 26 plus x minus 29 equal to 135. How will you add this? X plus x, 3x. 26 minus 29. What is 26 minus 29? Minus 3. So 3x minus 3 equal to 135. So 3x equal to 135 plus 3 equal to 138. So what is x? 138 by 3 equal to 4 3 12 remaining 1846. Baijun's father's age is 46 years. Then Baijun's grandfather's age is x plus 26. 46 plus 26. What is that? 72 years. Then Baichung's age is what? X minus 29. 46. 46 minus 29 equal to 17. Okay. Now we got father's age is 46. Is it? Grandfather 72 and Baijung's age 17. Okay. Now we can move to next question. "15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Ravi's age after 15 years, it will be 4 times. What is Ravi's present age? Yeah, simple question. Okay. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. That means his present age is, let x be his present age. Ravi's present age. "15 years after, what will be the age of Ravi? After 15 years, his age equal to x plus 15. Now x after 15 years, x plus 15. 15 years, after 15 years, his age will be 4 times his present age. So 15 years age is same as 4 times of his present age. 4 times. So what we can tell? X plus 15 equal to 4x. Now solve it. 15 equal to 4x minus x equal to 3x. 3x equal to 15. Now what is x? X equal to 15 by 3 equal to 5. Okay, you can check it. Now 5. After 15 years, what it will be? We can check it. 15 years, 5 plus 15. Now 5 years after 15. Is it 4 times of present age 5? Yeah, 20 equal to 20. Is it? Right. You can check if you got answer. Okay, next question.